Why is my Pixel 7 Pro not fast charging? Google Pixel 7 Pro's slow battery charging issue is an intended feature. Since its launch, the Google Pixel 7 Pro series had been plagued with a number of issues that surfaced one after another. Now, another one of these supposed issues has surfaced that affects the Pixel 7 Pro. However, this time around, it might be a feature that the company intended. Recently, a user shared his experience with the Pro model in a post, in which he asked other Pixel users if their new smartphones are also facing a bug that causes the battery to charge slow. The user said that the Pixel 7 Pro charged at a snail's pace, and he even tried restarting the device. Although, neither restarting the phone or changing chargers help. For those unaware, the Pixel 7 Pro is powered by a large 5003 mAh battery pack that supports 30W fast charging. Notably, other users also joined this thread, with one saying that his new Pixel took 3 hours to charge from 23% to 100%, while another said that his Pixel 7 Pro went from 10% to 50% in 1 hour. One common factor most of the users on the thread noticed was that the range between 80% and 100% was the slowest to charge. But, it seems like this is intended by the search engine giant rather than being a bug. A feature called adaptive charging is believed to be the culprit behind what the users are considering a bug. This feature uses AI and machine learning to determine the time that a user plugs their Pixel 7 Pro out of their chargers every day. Adaptive charging is basically to help keep the battery of the smartphone in good health. Thus, charging speeds usually drop around 80% while computing how fast it needs to charge to reach 100% before the device is unplugged. In other words, users can disable the feature in settings, although, your battery life might deteriorate faster in the longer run. For possible solutions to other issues with your phone, you can post questions on our forums to the Pixel community. Go to https://support.google.com/pixelphone/community/. Please back up data if possible and bring it to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. The team could help you out. Please visit the website https://sydneycbd.repair/ for a human live chat.